Now you can't keep doing that forever because we're gonna get down to nickels. I'll do $100 bids until one of you quits. Probably about a 12-footer. What do you think?
Don't have any tires to it.
On the Harrow, give $100. 100, give $100 bid now. 100, go $100 bid now. 100. $50. Thank you. Now 75. 50 now. 75. 75 goes 60. $50 bid now. 60 goes. $60 bid 60. $50 bid now. 60 goes 60. Anybody else want in? $50 bid. I got 60 now. 70. Now 80. Now 90. 90 now 100. 90 now 100. Give $100 bid now. 100 would you do 100? Thank you. Now 10. 100 now 10. 110 now 120. 110 now 20. Go 20. Sold it. $110. Number 122.
3 point.
$50 bid now. 50 go. $50 bid 50. 25. Give it $25 bid go. 25. 25. Who gives 25? $10. $10. $5. Where's my scrappers at? $5. $5. I got 5. Now 10. $10. Hey, we got an auction now, by golly. What'd you do, 10? Yeah, don't look too long. You might change your mind. 10. Now 15. 10 now 15. Go 15. 10 now 15. Did we break the bank already? 10 now 15. Anybody else? I got 15 now 20. You're off the hook. $20. 15 now 20. Go $20 bid 20. Sold $15. All right, on the disc. There you go. Nice heavy one here. Full type disc. What are you guys thinking on this one right here? We'll get 500. Give a $500 bid. Go 5. Give a $500 bid. 500. We'll give 200. $200 bid now. 2. Give a $200 bid now. 200. Give 100. Don't give $100. Give a $100 bid now. 100. Go $100 bid now. 100. $50. $50. Thank you. Now 75. $50 bid now. 75 goes 75. 75. 50 now. 75 goes 75. Now 100. Now 100 and a quarter. 100 now 25. 25. 100 now 25. Now 1 and a half. 125 now half. Now 175. 175 go 175. 175 now 200. $200 bid now 2. Give a $200 bid now 200. I got 200 now 2 and a quarter. 200 now 25. Would you do it? 225 now 2 and a half. 225 now a half. Go a half. 225 now 2 and a half. 225 now a half. Last call. 2 and a half. Sold it. $225 to 118. Number 118. Okay, Rob, we got another disc. Okay, on the next one right here, we'll give $100 for this disc. Give $100 bid now, 100. Give $100 bid now, 100. How about $50? You do it? 25. Thank you. Now 35. 25 in, 35. Give a $35 bid now, 35. 25 in, 35. Give a $35 bid now, 35.
Yep.
35 now 45. 35 now 45, go 45, 35 now 45, 35, 45, last call, 45, 45, thank you, now 55, 45 is 55, 50, now 60, now 70, would you do $70 bid now, 70, no, $70 bid now, 70, sold at $60 number.
Chisel plow. John Deere even.
Chisel plow, spring tube. Nice John Deere piece. What do you guys say here? We'll give it 300. Give it $300 bid to go. You got 2 started? Thank you. Now 2 and a quarter. That was way easier than everything else. 200 now 225. 200 now, 25, 25, 200 now, 25. Thank you, now 2.5. 2.5 now, 275. Now 300. 3 1/4. 3 1/2. 375. 400. 4 1/4. 4 1/4. Would you do it? 425, no, 25, 25, 425, 25. I got 400 bidding now, 25. All done. Sold it to you, $400. Hey, looks like we got a sickle mower.
That's an old timer.
I think they're about 7-footers, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right. On your old sickle mower, what do you think, guys? 7-foot bar. We'll give $100 for the sickle mower. Give $100 bid now, $100 go, $100 bid, $100. Give $50. $50. Who'd do it? $50 bid now, $50 bid, $50. 25. Thank you, now 30. 25 in, 30, give a $30 bid now, 30 go, 30 now, 35. $35 bid, did you do 35? 35, Sam? Now 40. 35 now, 40 go, $40 bid now, 40 go, $40 bid, 40. 40 I got. Now 45, now 50. 45 in, 50 go, $50 bid now, 50 go, $50 bid, 50. Last call for 50. So for $45 to number 108.
Dale, you got 2 upper wagons. Might as well sell them choice. John Deere running gears.
All right, we have
250 bushel.
J&M hopper wagons.
50s.
The John Deere running gear. Look like they're 250 capacity, and they're pretty similar. So we are going to sell choice out, and you can take 1 or 2. All right, choice out. We'll give $1,000 for choice out. Give $1,000 bid go, $1,000 bid go, 1,000. How about 500? $500 bid now, 500. Thank you. Now 600. 5 and now 6 goes, $600 bid now, 600. 5 and now 6. $500 bid now, 6 goes, 600.
5.5.
5.5 now 600. Now 6.5.
Yeah.
I got 6.5 now, 700 now, 7.5, 800, 8.5, 900, 9.5, now 1,000, 1050. 1050, now 1,100, 1,150.
What we got?
1,150. Thank you. 1,200. 1,200, now 12.5. 12.5, 12 now, 12.5, 12.5, 12, 12.5. 12, 12.5. Appreciate your bids. I got 1,200 bids now, 12.5. 12, 12.5. Anybody else?
Upper wagon, 1,250. What do you think?
1,250. Last call for 12.5. Any other interest? So $1,200. You want 1 or 2? Times 2 to number 108. We have the new Holland sickle mower, 7-foot bar on it. Pretty good condition. What do you guys think? We'll give $300 for the sickle mower.
You had her hooked up to 656, so you used it.
There you go, being used. We'll give $200. $200 bid now, $200 bid, $200. We'll give $100.
Yeah.
100 I got. Bid you now, 125. 125 now, 1.5.
Yeah.
1.5. Now 175, 200.
Yeah.
Now 2 1/4. Now 2.5.
Yeah.
2.5 now, 275 and $300 bid, 300. And 3 1/4 now, 3.5. 375. Now 400. Now 4 1/4. $400 bid now, 25.
Yeah.
I got $500 bid. Give 500 started. $500 bid to go. $500 bid now. 500. 200. $200 bid now. $200 bid now. 200. Thank you. Now 300. 2 now 3. Now $400. 4. Now 500. 4 now 5. Now 600. Now 7. Now 800. Now 9. And 1,000. $1,000 bid now. $1,000 bid now. 1,000. I got 900 bid now. 1,000. 900 bid now. 1,000. $1,000 bid now. 1,000. 1,000. 900 bid now. 1,000. 1,000. Anybody else went in? Give $1,000 bid now. 1,000. 1,000. Went back in. Anybody else? Sold it to you. $900. Now we've got a little bit nicer, bigger 6,600.
This one here, they used it, I think, probably about 2 years ago.
John Deere. Yeah, this is being used up until last year. That's nice. Get going. Get out here running. Start right up. And then let's make you last ball. Alright? You guys stay. John Deere, 6,600. I'll give 2,000. Give $1,000. 10,000 on the Great Plains Drill. Give a $10,000 bid, 10, 10, give a $10,000 bid. How about 5 to start it? Give 5,000. $5,000 bid now, 5, give a $5,000 bid, go 5,000.
Boys, just 2.
I got 2 to start it, give me 3. 2,000 now, 3, thank you, now 4, 3, now 4, give a $4,000 bid now 4. 3 now 4, give a $4,000 bid now 4, give a $4,000 bid now 4,000.
35.
35 now 4. Now 45. 4 now 45, 45, 4 in 45. 4 now 45, 45, give 4,500. Now 5,000. 45, 5 now 55. 5 in 5,500. 55 go $5,500 bid now 55, 55. 52 and a half now 55. 52 and a half and now 5 go 500. Thank you. Now 57.50. 57 and a half, 7 and a half, 56. No, you can't keep doing that forever because we're going to get down to nickels. I'll do $100 bids until one of you quits. 56, now 57, 58, 59, 6, 61, 62, 62. I think he went up, he did. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 7,000, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 85, thank you, 86, 86, 85, 86, 85 and now 6. Anybody else want in at 8,600? Got 85 here, now 86, last call, 8,600. Appreciate your bids. Sold $8,500 to number 114, number 1.